How to Study English Literature Like a Topper, Step-by-Step Guide. Hello friends. Welcome back to Department of English. Are you struggling to study English literature? Do you want to become a topper in your class or university exams? Step 1. Understand the syllabus. The first step is to know your syllabus clearly. Whether you're studying for high school, a BA program, or an MA degree, collect your syllabus and check. What are the main texts? What are the genres? Are there any historical periods like Renaissance, Romantic, or Victorian? Any critical theory or literary terms? Pushpin Pro Tip. Create a chart or spreadsheet where you write each topic, author, and status. Read, not read, need revision. Step 2. Start with the author. Before reading the text, always know the author's background. Ask yourself, when did the author live? What were the major events of that time? What were the author's beliefs, style, and themes? Book example. If you're reading Shakespeare, understand Elizabethan England, theater, and his worldview. This gives you context, and that helps you understand why the author wrote in that way. Step 3. Read the text in layers. Don't rush through the text. Check mark first reading. Just read to enjoy. Don't worry if you don't understand everything. Check mark second reading. Now go slowly. Underline new words, poetic devices, important lines. Check mark third reading. Take notes. Theme, characters, setting, symbols, tone, and message. Use a literature journal or notebook to write chapter-wise summaries. Step 4. Learn literary terms and devices. Every topper knows the power of literary terms. Books terms like metaphor, irony, alliteration, symbolism, stream of consciousness, Bildungsroman. Know what they mean and learn to identify them in your texts. Pushpin tip. Use real examples from your syllabus. This makes it easy to remember and apply in exams. Step 5. Watch good videos and listen to audio summaries. Sometimes reading gets boring or hard. No problem. Watch YouTube lectures, animated summaries, or listen to audiobooks. Check mark visual plus audio equals better memory. Check mark helps with pronunciation and understanding tone. Check mark saves time and boosts confidence. Follow trusted channels like Department of English for clear and creative explanations. Step 6. Use critical analysis 531 to 630. Top students don't just read, they analyze. Ask yourself, what is the theme of this novel, play, poem? What is the author trying to say about society, love, war, etc.? Are there any hidden meanings or symbolism? Can you connect the text to your own life? Light bulb. Use simple critical theories like feminism, Marxism, postcolonialism, psychoanalysis. But don't get lost in theory. Use it to support your understanding. Step 7. Practice writing answers. Topper students write regularly. Write answers to character analysis, theme-based questions, essay-type long answers, critical appreciation of poems. Golden rule. Always write in clear paragraphs with introduction, body, and conclusion. Ask your teacher to give feedback, or exchange with friends. Step 8. Join a literature group. Studying with others helps a lot. Create a WhatsApp or Facebook group with classmates. Share notes, discuss difficult texts, solve doubts, motivate each other. Sometimes, Discussing with others helps you remember better than just reading alone. Step 9. Revise with flashcards and mind maps. Make flashcards for authors and their famous works, themes, literary terms, important quotes. Use mind maps to connect themes, characters, and plots visually. It saves time and helps in fast revision before exams. Step 10. Stay curious and enjoy. Lastly, love what you study. English literature is not just for marks. It teaches you about life, love, history, and humanity. Read outside the syllabus too. Try short stories. Watch plays. Listen to poetry recitations. Follow literature blogs. The more you enjoy it, the better you'll perform. So friends, these were the 10 powerful steps to study English literature like a topper. Which step did you find the most useful? Let us know in the comments. Pushpin, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Department of English for more such helpful videos.